What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another hurricane type of video. This one is Hurricane Katrina Historic Storm Surge video, Gulfport, Mississippi. Yeah, the reason I'm watching this is because I want to see what it's like to be in a storm like this, or like to be in a hurricane, storm, because you see it on the news and stuff, but you don't really get to see it firsthand. And this is what these guys did. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe, go over to, I honestly don't know the channel's name, but yeah, if you want to go check out the people who made this video, go to the site, if it's still up, because this video was put up in 2010, so I don't know, but yeah, let's just get into it. Stop my fucking blabbering mouth talking.
Well, here we are, Jim Reed and myself. We're in Gulfport, right on the coast. We got big storm surge coming in now. These roads are going to be completely, we're not going to be able to drive.
Wait, he said a big storm surge is coming in, so this is not even...
Comes some surge. Surge is coming over the road. Well, this storm surge is getting pretty intense now. The winds are picking up. This is Highway 90.
I remember looking at a comment and someone saying that it sometimes happens overnight. So, like, is that why a lot of people end up dying because of hurricanes? Is because sometimes it does come in the middle of the night? Because it's at 7:15 a.m.
Well, we had to make it back to the hotel. Here's the current radar loop. We're in Gulfport.
Wait a second.
The current radar loop. We're in Gulfport.
Jeez, that storm is big.
Well, there's the Gulf of Mexico right there, coming into our parking lot. We got a pressure of 966. It's currently 9:15 Eastern time.
And the other thing is, like, I don't know if I'm right about this, but, like, shouldn't they build cities at least, like, 10 miles away from the coast, so if a hurricane does happen, there's, like, barely any damage? I mean, I don't know how it works, but I would assume that they should just build a city that's 10 miles away from any coast. But then the cargo, yeah.
8:15 Central. 966 millibars, and outside it is absolutely ferocious.
Damn. What makes the water come to land? Like, is it the high speed winds? Is that what it is?
Water's coming up to the first floor now.
Because Hurricane Katrina winds were like what, 185 miles per hour? That's almost 200 miles. Like what, 15 under 200?
Water's coming in the room through the air conditioned vent. Oh man. You know what? These walls are gonna start coming in. Taking this? Yes. Give it back to my spot. Oh yeah. Gotta get a shot of that. Alright, ready? Storm surge. Oh yeah, it's coming up now.
Damn.
We're starting to get the worst part of the storm. I think the worst part is still probably a half hour to 45 minutes away. Yeah.
The worst part is still
Things falling apart all around us now. All trees
half
are
an hour
going down.
away.
Storm surge is
Look
coming
at
all
this.
the way up into the hotel. We got cars starting to get submerged here.
That glass will break. That door will just come off. He says deploys the ASIS device in the hotel lobby at 8:37 a.m. Bro, he said that's not even the worst part. It's still it's on its way. Jeez. You also need to you also need to think this is like 16 years ago. It's fucking crazy, dude.
Look, the front bumper.
So after a hurricane, right? And the storms passed and everything, because does the water, because of the high elevation, does the water just go back into the ocean? Is that? But you have to wait a while, don't you?
Bumper's coming off.
I would assume that the water would just go back into the ocean because of the high elevation. The only reason that the water gets to that point is because of the high winds. Oh, that door broke.
Oh, here it is getting ready to break, guys. That is about to bust in quick.
Look, there's more water outside. See? There's more water outside than...
Here we are. This is crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Well, we're in the lobby here of our hotel. We're completely underwater in this first floor here. There's chairs floating by.
No fucking way, man. No. But this is why I say I'm scared of big bodies of water, bro. The two things that I'm scared of is what a hurricane is: high winds and a lot of water, dude. Because those are the two strongest things on Earth. If you put a big body of water, if you put it down a slope, right, and it keeps going down, and you go into that water, it's gonna push you. It doesn't matter how much you push it back, it's gonna push you. You're gonna get swept under. And the same with winds, bro. If a tornado with high winds, like 200 mile per hour winds, almost 300 mile per hour winds, that's enough to lift up a semi, and semis are at least a ton or two. So, no.
I'm ready to come right in the lobby now.
Oh, hard land. You gotta get out of here, bro.
Yeah, get out. Doors are breaking.
Jeez.
Yeah, all right, get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready.
Here comes a big wave, dude. Stand by. Oh my gosh, there's water right there. This thing is let's go to the stairs, guys.
The car is in the hotel now.
Big wave, big wave, big wave. Watch the door. Second floor. The water's coming up the stairwell here. It's all the way to the first floor. Oh my god.
Oh my god. So that's how people ultimately die, is because of what? The debris in the water and how fast the water goes sometimes. Not only that, like houses caving in, people inside, bro. It's crazy.
Alright, we're currently on the second floor. The steward is already coming up the stairwell here. We have 5
No,
flights to go up
oh.
if we need to.
The TD storm cam recorded the early stages of the rising storm surge, but ran out of tape just before the peak.
Folks, that's the first floor, right? The entire floor of the hotel is underwater. And it's continuing to rise.
Bro, that's fucked.
Well, the only shot I can get is out our 4th floor. We're 4 stories up, and you can see the water. The surge is dramatically risen here. We are in the heart of, this is probably pretty close to the eye wall. This is the eye wall. And the eye is probably going to be coming right over our location very soon. This is Mother Nature at her worst right here.
This is looking outside our 4th floor window at the Holiday Inn in Gulfport, Mississippi. This is during the eye wall of Hurricane Katrina.
Don't see the waves coming through? That's coming through the
I remember
building.
the first, I think one of the first ones that I reacted, like the first hurricane storm animations that I reacted to was I think the 2005 one, and you saw how bad it was, bro. It was.
Because this is all blocked off on the sides. Here we are on the 4th floor here. The roof collapsed on this building below me. See, the roof broke off.
See what I mean? Like, it just caved in, dude. Katrina's peak storm surge. From visual observation, we estimated Hurricane Katrina's storm surge peaked at 28 feet at Gulfport Beach between 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. 28 feet. Micah went down to the 2nd floor sometime between 10:09 to 10:30. Excuse me, and looked into a south side facing room and witnessed a large wave crashing into the 2nd floor window. Water was flooding the 2nd floor throughout a hole in the wall, where the wall unit air conditioner used to be before the surge pushed it in. So there was air conditioning on the wall, but because of the waves constantly hitting it, it just pushed it, bro.
The water is receding.
So it completely. If it's getting to the 2nd floor, if it's starting to flood the 2nd floor, the 1st floor is completely flooded. What did I just do? Hold on, everybody. I'll be right back. I went into. I don't know what the fuck happened, but yeah, let's continue. I don't know. I'm so mesmerized by this. I freaking clicked something on my recording software, and I was like, what? That wind is fast, man. That is some fast wind, bro. So this is the eye. This is like close to the bro. You see? Wait, I'm gonna push that back. Look at how fast the wind is going this way, and then watch the water. It's pushing the water. The wind is.
Hurricane Katrina, Category 4, Gulfport, Mississippi, August 29, 2005. It has gutted the hotel.
That, bro, strong winds like that will hurt your eardrums, dude. Fucking hell, man. 11:52. Yeah.
This lobby is completely destroyed. I mean,
See how the water's moving? It's moving back this way, so that's probably where the coast is.
concrete, not concrete, but brick walls blown through. Holy cow. This is the lobby. This was the lobby.
Jeez, bro. Jeez. That was fucked, bro. Did you see how fast the wind got at once they got to the peak? And how fast the waves were, bro. That's insane. Oh my god, bro. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe. Check out this video, I'll put it in the description if you haven't seen it. But yeah, deuces.